This is the FSUSD Family Tutorial, Aries for Parents. What is Aries? This is the online portal that allows you to see a student's current class schedule, their grades, and attendance. It includes transcripts, tests, and class rankings, as well as some other things. This is the slide where the video tutorial will be. So just to note, your child has a FSUSD login and password. This will be used for all school online activities, such as logging into student Gmail or logging into their Chromebooks. And this is how it's set up so that you can help troubleshoot them. This is not the Aries login. So for parents, your first step will go to fsusd.org and you're going to click the Family Resources tab. Next, you will find the Aries logo under Manage Your Education, and then you will click the Aries button. You will get a login option or field, and you're going to go underneath the button to where it says Create a New Account. You'll have the option to choose whether you're a parent or a student, so click Parent and then click Next. You will type in your personal email address twice. Then it will pop open requesting that you create a password. And we're going to go on the next slide, explains what you have to do for that. So to create a password, it must include all of the following. It must have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, a special character, and it must have at least 8 digits. Once you do that, then as you can see here, you're going to want to click Next. You will then get a confirmation email from Aries, so you're going to go to your email account. Once you're in your email account, you'll see an email that says Do Not Reply sent from FSUSD. Open that up, and then in the body, you will click the link that says Confirm this email address. Once you've confirmed, you will go back to the Aries login page and enter your email address and click Next. On the next screen, you will enter your password and click Sign In. You will then have to fill out a student verification form for your student. So there's 3 parts to it. The first field asks for the student permanent ID number. This is the student's FSUSD ID number. Do not put the S that students often write. You just put the digits. The second field is the student home telephone number. This is the emergency phone number on file with the school district. And so if you're not sure what number you gave for that, you can always call the school site and ask the office personnel what phone number they have on file for you. The final step is the verification code, and you must call or email your school site office to get the verification code. Once you have it, you will enter it in all caps. So while you're going, you have to contact them anyways to get the verification code. I would just verify what home phone number they have on file for me as well. And then you will click the next button. You will get a screen confirming that you are now linked to whatever your student's name is. You have the option to add all of your children to this portal, but you will need to get a child verification code for each child. So when we looked at this screen, that student verification form, you will have to fill that out for every child that you want to have access to in the parent portal, which is as simple as reaching out and getting those verification codes from your school sites. So this is the parent portal dashboard, and You might have to play around a little bit with it to learn how to navigate it, but you can see we have a tab for attendance, a tab for grades, a tab for classes, test scores, and then here you have the option to change between students. So you'll have a little drop down if you have more than one student. And up here in the corner, you have your email address. So on the next screen, I want you to be able to set your notification preferences. So up there where your parent email address is, there is a drop-down menu. Once you click it, the very first option says parent notification preferences. So click that. And then you will click receive weekly progress email, choose your preferred day and time, and then save. By setting this notification, you will get a weekly email with your child's grades and absences. So this is an overview, step by step, of how to get into Aries. Not necessarily all the ins and outs of Aries, but let you set up an account. There's also an app you can download that will let you then use it from your mobile phone or a tablet. You don't have to use a laptop or a desktop computer. But if you have any questions, we are more than happy to help you out. Just email askalibrarian@fsusd.org. And we also have other tutorials such as on Google Classroom, on how to log into devices at fsusd.org. Thank you.